1-1 of this young man right here. How about it? Ladies and gentlemen, your national champion, Daxton Bennick. Daxton, you also got yourself a $100 pole shot award from Bell Helmets. You want to hold that and smile real big and pretty for the cameras? Daxton, I got to say congratulations. You come out and talk about making it happen. You're the first one to be able to come out here this year so far and say 1-1-1. This championship is mine undoubtedly.
Yeah, that's a good feeling. It's cool to be the first one to do that this year, so yeah.
Well, tell me how you were able to make it happen out there.
I got off to a super good start and just started hitting my lines right away and just pushed hard to about the halfway, and then I knew I was pretty good, so I just really smart.
Who do you want to say thanks to?
Lord Jesus Christ, keep me safe. KTM Orange Brigade, Dunlop Tires, Scott Goggles, Toilet Designs, FMF, Lynx Motors, Powertrain Suspension, Alpine Stars, and everyone else, thank you.
Alrighty, ladies and gentlemen, there he is. And now to present to him his national #1 plate from the American Motorcyclist Association, Ricky Ricard. And ladies and gentlemen, I present to you your 85cc 9-11 AMA National Champion. All right, let the photo